Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel PsychoSoul. Hope you all are doing good and safe. Today in this video I will show you how you can find usernames across 75 social networks. So this is useful if you are running an investigation to determine the usage of the same username on different social networks. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it. First, we need to open our terminal. So I am opening my terminal here. Let me maximize it. So after opening the terminal, we'll just go and open our browser. So here I am using Firefox. And just write user recon GitHub, and when we search user recon GitHub, the first link that we get, we have to click here, and after clicking them, we'll just copy the link from here and we'll move to our terminal. And first of all, let me list the directories and all the files which is present over here. So as you can see, these are the files here. So I will just write git clone and I will paste the link. And after paste, we'll just hit enter, and as you can see, it's cloning in user recon directory. So when I list the directory here is one directory created. The name of the directory is user recon. So we'll navigate to this directory and we'll see the files which are present over here. So there are only 3 files. So as you can see, the execution permission to this cell is already given. We can see it from here. Now we will just run the userrecon.sh file using /userrecon.sh and we will hit enter. And here it's asking for the username. So input username. So let's suppose I am entering my username PsychoSoul and I will just hit enter. See, wherever it's finding the username, it has found Instagram. In Instagram, so it is showing PsychoSoul and it's providing the link of the username. After that, it's searching on Facebook, so it didn't get any username related to PsychoSoul, so it has shown the message not found. So in the same way, we can see there are different profiles where it's showing found, not found. If you are running an investigation to determine the usage of the same username on different social networks. So friends, using user recon, we can determine or we can find if the username is present on different social medias or not. So as you can see here, there are many different social media sites where it is checking the username if it is present or not. So it's going on increasing and checking. So I will just hit Ctrl+C. I will just stop it. And here we can see there is a file name with the user.txt is created here. So when I open psychosoul.txt, let us check what it contains. So as we can see, it contains the URL of different social media platform where PsychoSoul username is present. So we can get the link from here and we will just check on any browser if the username is present and if it's right or wrong. So we can verify that. But I hope these all the things are working fine. So friends, if you like my video, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and also hit the bell icon for latest update.